vlog, we have unboxing from mall. This is iPhone Honor X6C. And guys, we have wow. Let's see. Let's see. I can see it. Oh, please give me alone. This is a final result. This is done. I have a this case. I'm excited. Can I see? Oh, it's super cute. Let's see. Wait, what is this? Oh, apple! Oh, we have this. And let's play. Here. And guys, we have this charger. This is real. This is from Temu. Yeah. And 1 pesos only. Check out now on Temu. Guys, tignan nyo dyan sa may comment section. Ay, tignan nyo dyan sa may yellow basket. Nilagay ko dyan. Sa yellow basket. And guys, may free power bank na pala siya, no? Kaya wala siyang ano dito. Guys, wala siyang pwede. Okay siya. And hindi lang yan ang power bank nila. Meron pa siyang ilaw. Let's go. Guys, itatago ko to kasi nabili ko to kay Temu. Look. Nag-imon lang. And guys, may free iPhone sticker. Let's see. Akin na lang ito guys ha.